Hello guys, welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled by writing this program? You see here in this program, for row 1 we print 1, for row 2 we print 2 elements but with 2, and also for row 3 these are 3, for row 4 and also for row 5 we print 5s, right? So if yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write C++ program to print this triangle pattern program by printing the number which is corresponding to the number of rows. So without delaying, let us start. By please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our amazing lessons. Let us start. Yeah guys, remember in the previous lesson I showed you how to write a C++ program to print triangle pattern program, but by using star as an output. Write this one, you see. So now we are going to change an output where output will be corresponding to the number of rows. For example, for row 1 we print 1s, for row 2 2s, right? And so on and so forth. So to do this we are going to edit this one, right? To edit this one here, instead of printing these star letters, print here I. Remember I is representing row, right? To mean for row 1 you will get 1s, right? For row 2 just 2s, for row 3 3, right? Let us make a comparison again, right? To check whether there is no error. You see our program is well written. Let us now run it to check an output, right? You see now our output is corresponding to number of rows, right? For 1 we get 1s, for 2 2s, right? Like this. So this is how you can change this program from star pattern program to rows correspondence program, right? So please don't miss subscribe again. If you miss it, don't miss now. Like this video and share it to your colleagues so that we'll be together every time for every lesson. Now see you in next one.